Are YouTube Shorts the ultimate growth hack for 2025? Or are long-form videos still the secret to building a thriving channel? The answer might just shake up your entire YouTube strategy and completely transform your YouTube game. Let's dive in. Today we're diving deep into the most burning question for creators. How do YouTube Shorts and long-form videos actually work together to grow your channel faster? Stick around because I'm not just breaking it down, I'm sharing actionable tips and predictions that will give you a serious competitive edge this year. Before we dive deeper, let's quickly define what we mean by YouTube Shorts and long-form videos. Shorts are vertical videos up to 3 minutes long, designed for quick engagement and discoverability. Think of them as the fast lane to grabbing attention. They're perfect for hopping on trends and delivering bite-sized content. Long-form videos, on the other hand, are any videos that don't fall into the shorts category. This usually means horizontal videos or anything over 3 minutes. But here's the thing, a long-form video can still be shorter than 3 minutes if it doesn't meet the shorts criteria. Now that we've got that cleared up, let's dive into how these formats differ and, more importantly, which one might work best for your channel. Both formats have their strengths, but they also have some major differences, so let's explore them. First up, let's talk about audience engagement. Shorts are fantastic for grabbing attention quickly. They're like scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, quick, punchy, and designed to hook viewers in just a few seconds. But here's the catch. While shorts can be up to 3 minutes long, engagement tends to peak when they're under a minute. That's great for exposure, but makes it harder to build a deep connection with your audience in such a short time frame. Now, long-form videos, these give you the space to truly connect. You can tell stories, share detailed tips, or dive into complex topics, giving your viewers a reason to stick around and come back for more. That's why long-form content often leads to stronger community building and loyalty. Next, let's look at how the YouTube algorithm treats these formats. Shorts are pushed heavily on the short shelf, which means they have huge discoverability potential. But long-form videos have the edge when it comes to searchability and watch time, two big factors for growing your channel sustainability. Finally, let's talk about monetization. Shorts have limited ad revenue opportunities compared to long-form videos where you can run multiple ads. So if making money through AdSense revenue from your channel is a top priority, long-form videos are usually the way to go. So, which format is right for you? If you're looking for fast exposure, shorts are a fantastic way to reach new audiences. They're perfect for testing ideas, jumping on trends, or creating bite-sized content that gets eyeballs quickly. Think about creators in niches like comedy, fitness hacks, or quick tutorials that thrive on shorts. On the other hand, if your niche depends on depth and storytelling, like education, product reviews, or vlogging, long-form videos will help you build trust, authority, and a loyal audience over time. Here's my recommendation. Start with a balanced strategy as an experiment. Use shorts to pull people in and long-form videos to keep them engaged and coming back for more. Create a few of each type, track your performance, and see what resonates most with your audience. The key is to let your results guide you. If your shorts are driving tons of views but not translating to subscribers, maybe focus on using them to funnel viewers to long-form content. If your long-form videos are thriving but struggling to reach new audiences, shorts could help you cast a wider net. Remember, no two channels are the same, and finding your winning formula starts with a bit of experimentation. Now, let's look at some real-life success stories. First, we have Naz Daily, who brilliantly complemented his long-form content with YouTube Shorts. While already a successful creator, Naz Daily leveraged shorts to amplify his reach. In 2021 alone, He published over 50 shorts, generating an astounding 652 million views.
I got into Harvard University because of Google.com. Let me explain. Everybody wants to study at Harvard, but this university is expensive. And my friends said,
"You don't have the money."
I almost believed them and gave up. But instead, I went to Google and typed 2 words.
This strategy helped him grow his channel to 13.8 million subscribers, showcasing how shorts can boost even established creators. Then there's Linus Sebastian, the face of Linus Tech Tips, whose long-form tech reviews and PC building guides have helped him amass an impressive 16+ million subscribers. At 46 years old, Linus has built a tech empire on YouTube, consistently delivering in-depth content that resonates with both tech enthusiasts and casual viewers alike.
I've spent the last 2+ years reworking my house into a techie's dream home, including custom water-cooled gaming machines for my entire family. But there's a big problem. The beating heart of it all, my server, which handles smart home functions, storage for my private Netflix, and preserving my precious family photos.
Both creators are thriving, but they're using very different strategies. That's the power of understanding these formats. Now let's talk about some mistakes to avoid so you don't waste your time or lose viewers. For shorts, avoid cramming too much information into one video. Keep it simple and to the point. And don't forget about retention. Those first few seconds are critical. For long-form videos, don't ramble or bore your audience. Make sure every second adds value, and always start with a strong hook to keep watching past the first 30 seconds. Predictions for 2025. In 2025, shorts are evolving beyond just a core content type. YouTube Shorts may be entering their next evolution, with AI-powered recommendations creating a more intelligent discovery ecosystem. We're likely to see the lines between shorts and long-form content blur even further. While traditional videos remain the revenue backbone of YouTube, the real winners will be the creators who can seamlessly navigate both formats. The future is about developing content strategies that feel like dynamic, interconnected storytelling rather than separate formats. The message is clear. Content flexibility isn't just an option, it's the new expectation. Whether you're a shorts innovator or a long-form storyteller, 2025 is about mastering both. The real opportunity? Being ahead of the curve and transforming your channel into a multi-format content powerhouse. Adapt or get left behind. Here's my favorite part, combining both formats. Use shorts as teasers for long-form content. For example, post a 15-second clip from your full tutorial with a CTA like, "Watch the full video for step-by-step instructions." Or create shorts videos that complement your long-form videos, like quick tips or FAQs. This way, you'll cover all the bases and drive traffic between the two formats. Think of shorts as the appetizers and long-form videos as the main course. It's a winning combination. Shorts or long-form? The answer is both. Master the mix. What's your biggest creator challenge? Comment below, subscribe, and let's crush 2025.